Park rules, 1 of Rio Salado Habitat Restoration Area. Judy Hedding. The Rio Salado Habitat Restoration Area is an oasis in part of Phoenix where people might not expect to find lush trees, plants and wildlife. If everyone follows these simple rules, the project can continue to progress and the community can enjoy it. 1. You may visit the Rio Salado Habitat Restoration Area from sunrise to sunset all year long. 2. You may bring your dog to the Rio Salado Habitat Restoration Area as long as you keep it leashed, stay on the paved trails, and clean up after it. 3. Stay on the trails. 4. Don't feed the wildlife. 5. Don't remove any plants. 6. No alcohol permitted, no glass containers. 7. The lake is not stocked. There is no fishing permitted here. 8. No swimming or wading. In other words, stay out of the water. 9. No music, unless you are the only one who can hear it. 10. No soliciting or commercial sales are permitted. 11. No motorized vehicles are allowed outside the parking lot. That includes scooters and any other wheeled devices. Rio Salado Habitat Restoration Area factoid: the Arizona Water Protection Fund played a key role in Rio Salado's development. That government commission supports projects that enhance riparian areas.